Hello, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I am going to explain how to add a sitemap to Google Search Console. Well, first you have to type create sitemap. Then you have to click on here. You have to copy the link of your domain name and paste it here and click on start. Click on here, then click on here and click on save. Now we have to go back to our cpanel, go down, click on here, then click on the file of your domain. Now we are going to click on upload. And here we are going to drag our sitemap XML file to here. And we click on here. And you can see the sitemap is already here. Now we go to Google Search Console site. Here we click on sitemaps. Then here we copy the link of our website. And paste it here. Then here we type sitemap.xml. Remember the link with HTTPS. Then click on send. And click on here. Thanks a lot for watching the video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Remember to subscribe to not miss my next video. Here there is another video that might like you. I hope you have an excellent day. Bye.